In this video, I'm going to talk about the most powerful price action trading indicator that is available on the TradingView, and many traders are still using the order blocks and they do not have the idea about the new indicator that is available on TradingView. So before I start this video, if you want to join the best broker that I personally use, the link is given in the description of this video below. They offer a variety of trading accounts from standard, cent, raw spread, zero, and the pro account. This broker is regulated and has the fastest withdraw and deposit methods. Okay guys, now we are moving towards our strategy, and the strategy is very simple. We are just going to add the one indicator, and the name of the indicator is double top bottom ultimate OS by he who must know. Okay, and 2027 traders are using this indicator setup, right? Okay, so if I attach this indicator on my screen, so it has a basically a look like this. It shows you the different patterns. Right now you can see on the screen that it is showing you the double top pattern. Double top pattern means in price action that the market can have a good reversal, and you can see the market simply dropped from this level. Okay, and also it's pointing us some good levels into the market, like this is the red level for the downward trend, and the other one stands for the upward trend. So basically it will guide you with this method. Okay, and also it will be appearing higher lows and higher highs. As you can see, higher highs is here, higher low is here, so you can also trade according to it. You once you have a higher low, then it means that now the market, if the trend is up, it means that the market is going to make another higher high, so you can also trade this one. Let me show its previous signals. Look at here, it has identified the double bottom pattern here. Double bottom pattern means into the forex market or the crypto or the stock market that the price can go up. Okay, and you can see from here, when the green line get a break, then the price went up. So better is to take the entry from the green line when it goes up, then you will be able to take a very good chance into the market. Okay, let's go back and find more signals. Okay guys, here it has provided us with a double top pattern, but what happened, here the green line get a break, but later on the market starts to reverse and it break the red level. So what does it mean? This is very important in this video. If the market breaks the red level, it means that this pattern is not respected anymore. Then you will set up a stop loss just above that level. For example, let me give you an example. Short position here, so you will set for example, if you are entering from here, then you will set up a stop loss at the top, like little bit above the red line, and then you can target something like this. Okay, so if the pattern doesn't work, you can also go into another direction, because it's very important to trade the next direction, because if the pattern is not respecting, then it means that the market is going to change its behavior. Okay, now look at here, the double top is found by is shown by this indicator, and you can see a very good drop again, and here the double bottom didn't work. Okay, so this is how you guys you can get the benefit from this indicator. Okay, now look at another example. Okay, so double top, the market somehow went down for a little bit time, again it break the green line. It means that if you are into the sell, cut your sell and open the buy, and you can see the market significantly going into the upward direction. Here we have the double bottom pattern. You can see simply the market pumped up, so very good easy chances will be there to trade and this market structure. So if you have no idea about the price action, then guys, this indicator is definitely going to help you a lot, and it will be going to give you the both signals in the opposite and into the favorable side as well. So guys, attach this indicator, use this indicator on forex, crypto, and the stock market as per your choice, and hopefully this will be a profitable journey for you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share our videos. Thank you very much for watching.